y'all, it's me again. So last time I showed you guys how you can like mix and match your manicures. So today I want to show you another cool trick that I myself just figured out because my mom is great and works at a school, and so she brought me home these cute little craft punches. And oh, the things that you can do with Color Street that you can't do with regular polish with craft punches. So I'm gonna punch some shapes out today, but I have my Halloween on, so I'm probably not going to use them, but I am going to show you how it is done and how you can fancify your nails without error because these things work great, and scissors is questionable, using craft punches and Color Street. So let's do it. So I'm going to use the white part from my French samples that I have here. So if you've never ordered a French, they come with the color and then the clear as day. So they're amazing. So I'm going to open this little guy here. So a lot of women hand cut, like I showed kind of on the last video with the strip. But once I discovered the craft punches, I was like, oh my goodness, I can have anything I want. So I have bought some on Amazon. I'm waiting for them to come because they have craft punches for everything, y'all. Apparently scrapbooking, like a big deal. I need to do better. All of my pictures are digital. Yeah. Okay, so just like last time, this is the strip. You're going to peel off this plastic because if you don't, you're going to be mad at yourself because it is like close to impossible to get. Alrighty. And so perhaps I'll do a star. I might put a star on my red finger. I don't know. So look, it's just like this. And it has this little slot in it if you've never used these. So I'm just going to put them in here with the color down. And make sure it's on there good. The beauty is that you can see it. See, not there. There. Now I'm just going to push it through. Like so. And there we have it. Look, it is an adorable little bitty star. How cute is that? So, I'm trying to decide if I think that that would look terrible on my nail. I don't know. Yeah, we'll put it on. What does it hurt? So then you're just going to peel the backing off without breaking the star. I did this on my daughter's nail. Broke the star and she was like heartbroken. Like there was never going to be another star. 5-year-old dramatics are great. Oh, she's 7. I just said 5. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! Look at how cute that is. There's a star on my finger and it's like perfectly cut. And I'm just going to wrap around the little tip of it. Look at it. I love it. So I bought the smaller set so that I could do maybe like multiple designs. And I really want to do polka dot fingers because I love all things polka dot. If you have ever seen my vendor tables, we're dotted up. Alright, and so we're going to do it again with this one, except this time I'm going to do a flower, of which I'm definitely not putting on my nails, but I will show you guys one more time so you get the total gist of it. So I'm going to put it in there, make sure it's like lined up. This one doesn't like me, guys. And boom. That one fell out. Look, it's a little flower. Like when you were in middle school and you used to always have to have the $10 flower painted on your toes with the little dots. You don't have to do that anymore. You can totally do that yourself. You are not a real fanatic if you never got a toothpick or a pin and tried to make that little flower. Y'all know which one I'm talking about, right? $10 extra for your manicure. So that's how you do Color Street craft punch designs. You can get ones that have like straight lines. You can get ones that have like zigzag lines, like chevron nails. So you can take Color Street and completely make it your own because it's dry. And you can do what you want with it. It's amazing. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Bye.